So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents.
You know what that means.
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class?
No, I cannot.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
All I want to tell you is school's not important. Be whatever you want to be. If you want to be a dog, you know?
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.